Today I want to answer some unanswered questions that I had about the Cine Reflect Lighting System and the Compact Beamlight from BB&S, and figure out, is this something that I would want to use into my workflow? So first of all, just to introduce what the CRLS system is. The CRLS system is a series of reflectors that have varying diffusion on the front of them. I've got the full set right here for the starter kit. So for example, this is diffusion number 1, which has a very mirror-like and reflective beam. You can see, like, even right now I can shine it in there, and it's got a lot of punch. So number 1 is more useful for sending this to another reflector. But here's where it gets interesting. So as you go up in the diffusion numbers, it becomes more diffused. So for example, it goes from 1 to 4. This one is a 3. The higher the number, the more diffused the light is going to be. I think the most useful thing to me about this system is the ability to have a small footprint but still have really soft light. You know, you'd have to fit a stand with a light on it, back it up a little bit, and then put like a 4x4 frame. So you'd have 2 stands and then however much, footprint that takes. Overall, I'm really excited about using the Compact Beamlight and the Cine Reflector Lighting System as just a system in general. I think it has a lot of really unique capabilities, and I look forward to testing more in the future and seeing what these things can do.